Hello, this is Mr. Wynn, continuing on with Chapter 7 Test Review, Part 2. So we just finished number 10. There's a typo in the answer. Number 11, alright, don't even worry about that. It says, approximate the value of log base 554. Y'all can just use a calculator for that. So let's do that real fast. So, log base 5 of 54 gives me that. 2.4785. 2.4785. B. This is calculator. Answer was B. Good. 11 part B. Condense the following. So basically use your exponent properties to fix it. It's simplified to one big logarithm. We can move the numbers back as exponents. Alright, so that is really ln of x to the 5th power plus ln of y squared minus ln of 5 cubed. Alright, then they're all ln, same bases, logarithm same bases, you can combine them. If they're adding, that means they multiply. So x to the 5th times y squared multiplies. If subtracting is division, 5 to the 3rd power goes on here. Now if you have a number to an exponent, make sure you fix that. 5 cubed is really just 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. Here's my answer. So it's the ln of x to the 5th times y squared, all divided by 125. 12. Solve this. Alright, well, they're both log base 4. I can't exponential both sides unless there's one thing. But I could do what we just did. We're going to use our rules to condense or combine. So they have two log same bases being added. That's really multiplying. So log base 4 of m minus 3 times m plus 3 equals 2. Alright, I can exponentiate both sides. It's gone, so the left side is just m minus 3, m plus 3. The right side is 4 squared. Now y'all know how to FOIL, been doing it for a long time. So multiply those. M squared plus 3m minus 3m minus 9 equals 16. Combined terms, these are gone. So m squared minus 9 equals 16. You can do quadratic formula here, or if b is 0, there's no b term, you can just do regular algebra. I'll do the regular algebra part here. Alright, m squared equals 25. I can square root both sides. So m equals positive or negative 5. We just did 2 cases. We have positive 5, we have negative 5. Now you can't take the log of negative. If I put negative 5 in the first or second one, I get log of negative 8 or log of negative 2, which fails. So you cannot use this negative answer. If I do positive 5, the first thing is log base 4 of 2, which is fine, plus log base 4 of 8, which is fine. So 5 is our answer. G. Yep, G. Alright, 13. Solve this round to the nearest 10,000th. Now, technically, we could just plug all those answers into n and see which ones make both sides equal. Either plugging both sides, but we'll do the math. So I'm going to log base 6 both sides. So you see we're doing this trick a lot. That's how you solve variables in the exponent. Alright, remember, log base 6 of 6 cancels. All we have is just 3n, goes in front, but it's 3n on the left side. X, this drops down in front, so 5n minus 4. This is times log base 6 of 43. Again, like that last video, you're allowed to distribute here, or you can change log base 6 of 43 to decimal, which I would think I would like because it saves you a lot of work. So let's do that. Log base 6 of 43. Fine. We'll use that decimal. Let's do 4 places. 2.0992. Alright, so we're at 3n equals 5n minus 4 times 2.0992. Since we're approximating, our answer should be really close to the actual answer. We just round to the very end. So this is 3n equals, what's this? All right, so 5 times 2.0992 gives you 10.496. 10.496n minus 4, or really negative 4 times 2.0992, negative 8.3968 minus 8.3968. 3968. Solve for n, move n to one side, so subtract 10.496n, 10.496n, those are gone. If you didn't use the decimal, you'd not have to round or any of this stuff. 496, negative 7.496. Alright, so we're at negative 7.496n equals negative 8.3962. Solving for n, so I got to divide by this decimal. Alright, so fraction negative 8.3962 divided by negative 7.496, 1.1201. The closest answer up there is A, 1.1202. Alright, if you did exact answer, you would have got that without doing the rounding part. Alright, next one, 14. Solve this, round to the nearest 10,000. Same idea. There's only one exponent of x, so that's good. I'm a log base 5 both sides. Alright, remember logarithms, log base 5 cancels. This exponent drops down in the front. So 2x plus 1. Yeah, I forgot log this side as well. Log base 5 of 50. Alright. Alright, so here's where I'm at now. I do solve for x by subtracting 1 from both sides. This 5 is that negative 1 is not inside the log. So log base 5 of 50 minus 1 way out here. And then I'm going to divide by 2. That is my answer. X equals that fraction. Let's type in the calculator, see what we get. Alpha y equals log base 5 of 50 minus 1 all over 2. Gives me 0.7153. 0.7153, 7153. It's G. Alright, erase this. Answer is G. Good. 15. Use common logs to approximate that. We don't have to use common logs. Just type in the calculator. Math, log base 9 of 207. Round 4 decimal places, so 2.4270. 2.4270 D. Alright, now technically let's do this correctly. Common logs, remember that's just doing log base 10 of something, divide log base 10 of something. We just use the two numbers here. This number goes on top, the base goes on bottom. So if I did this, same thing, fraction, I could do just log base 10, so log of 207 divided by log of 9. Same answer. 16. Suppose you put $1,000 in the account, pays 3% annual interest, compounded continuously. Use that to find out the balance over 10 years. They gave you the formula, use it. Alright, we put in $1,000, or they put in 1,000, doesn't matter who. Alright, times E. Our interest rates is 3%, so that's 0.03. Time in years is 10. I'll use type in the calculator, see what I get. So 1,000 times E to the 0.03 times 10. 1349. 1349.86 H. Right, so even though this is a word problem, just they give you the equation, formula, fill it out, and then use a calculator. So after 10 years, we get $349 increase, about 34%. Alright, solve this. Okay, we have 4 plus 3e to the 5x equals 27. I'm going to solve for the 5x. The exponent I got to bring down by taking logarithms, but I can only do that if I have log on both, one thing on both sides. Let me subtract this 4 first. 3e to the 5x equals 23. Alright, then I'm going to divide by 3. And I'll leave that right there. So I'm at e to the 5x equals this fraction. Alright, if I have e, that means I want to ln both sides. So I ln both sides. Remember, ln of e cancels to 1, which is 5x in front. So let's go over here. So I have 5x on the left side equals ln of 23 over 3 on the right side. I want to solve for x, so I'm going to divide both sides by 5, and I'm done. Now 5 is not inside the ln. So I'm typing in the calculator. Let's see what the decimal is. Fraction ln of a fraction, 23 over 3. And on the bottom of the ln is 5. 0.4074. 0.4074. A. Alright, there you go. 18. Solve this. Okay, that's easy. ln of x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 2. Alright, gotta get rid of the ln. I'm going to exponentiate both sides by e. That cancels. This is x plus 5 on the left side. It's greater than or equal to e squared. On x, I have to subtract 5 from both sides. So x is greater than or equal to e squared minus 5. That's the exact answer. They want the decimal, so let's find the decimal. E squared minus 5 is 2.3891. So 2.3891. X is greater than 2.3891. Alright, so that is F. F. There you go, that's F. Good. 19. Chemistry. Particular compound decays according to that equation, where T is in days. Find the half-life. Half-life means find T. Alright, if they give us the equation, they said half of it's left over. So we make up our own numbers. I'll do 1,500. So if I start out with 100, there should be only 50 left after half its life. Negative 0.0974 T. We're basically just solving for T. So like before, get rid of that 100. So that 0.5 equals e to the negative 0.0974 T. I gotta bring the exponent down by ln'ing both sides. So ln of 0.5, ln of e to the negative 0.0974 T. ln of e cancels. This exponent drops down. So my ln of 0.5 equals negative 0.0974 T. Divide both sides by that negative 0.0974 by negative 0.0974. This is gone. So T equals, let's figure out what the decimal is. That's a fraction. ln of 0.5 on top. Bottom is negative 0.0974. 7.1165. So about 7.1. Which is C. Alright, T is in days. So they said T was in days. Alright, T is in days. Otherwise it'd be in years. Alright, answer C. Alright, last problem, 20. So one more word problem. They gave us the formula right here. Y equals A times 1 plus R to the T. There's growth of a hotel. It's cost of $48 in 1980. Continues to grow 5.1% annually. Find the price in 2012. So I filled in A, our starting point, $48. I filled in R, 0.051. It's been 32 years since 1980. All I do is type that in the calculator, get my answer, and I'm done. So 48 times. You could fix this number in here to one single number, or you can just leave it like this. I'm just keep it separate to save time. I get 235.79. 235.79. That price is G. All right, if you can do that, that's your whole test. Pretty simple. Make sure you know do exponential both sides, know how to log both sides, get exponents down. Again, this is Mr. Win. Thanks for watching. See you in tests. Good luck.